Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Shruts. मैं हूँ Joe.
And this Joe, and here in the middle, where here will come
Somewhere.
karma. After a very, very long time, we are now today after, and of course, plenty requests have come, lots. We were kind of waiting for the new album to come, but then now we've realized nahi aa rahi hai. So now we're
Hold पे
getting to
है.
Godzilla
Hmm.
and Kalamkar ka Godzilla Deep Kalsi. But Joe, why is it on hold though?
Because COVID, na, they put out
So because of that,
Kalamkar as a label. They put out
yeah,
a post online saying we are keeping
correct.
everything on hold because this is not the time to release new music and drop albums and all. But Deep Kalsi had apparently recovered and come back to work after recovering, and
Right.
his first project was to finish Karma's album
Oh,
MYP, but
nice. Okay.
it's all been delayed and with good reason. So let's get
Yeah.
to this one, highly requested.
Yes. Yes.
And I've been missing
Godzilla.
Karma. I don't know about you, but
I have. I really have. I remember we were discussing this last time also, when we reacted to intro, that uske pehle wo jo band wala gana tha, jiska
मेरे
visual
भाई
वैसा था.
लोग.
And itna time ja raha hai beech mein that, we miss him. We miss him.
Yeah,
So I'm really glad that we're getting
yeah.
to this today.
And
Yeah.
this is not very old. It's a March 2020 release.
Last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Actually, yeah. Exactly एक साल और कुछ महीने. Very nice.
so
चलो ठीक
Godzilla.
है. Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
Yeah. दीप कलसी के संगीत पे yeah. तेरे शहर में घूमूं मैं बनके गॉडजिला, सारा कंक्रीट का जंगल मैं गोरिल्ला। अपने उस्तादों को ले चाहे तू कॉल मिला, या जाके बताना उन्हें कि तुझे कौन मिला। तेरे शहर में घूमूं मैं बनके गॉडजिला, ये सीमेंट का जंगल मैं गोरिल्ला। अपने उस्तादों को ले चाहे तू कॉल मिला, या जाके बताना उन्हें कि तुझे कौन मिला। कर्मा कर्मा नाम मेरा, जैसे जैसे बढ़ रहा वैसे चिंता में खानदान मेरा। मोहल्ला घर पे ध्यान दे रहा, मैं गल्ला भर सामान ले रहा। मैं झल्ला बन के ज्ञान दे रहा, निठल्ला बन के काम दे रहा। वो गुस्से का इम्तिहान ले रहा, पराठा मांगा नान दे रहा। मीठे के नाम पे पान दे रहा, मेरे यार बोले के जान देना। अब गेम में अरे बेटे हम भी हैं, इस बात का बहुत को गम भी है। वो हाय बोले भाई बोले हम भी हैं, एक दोस्त के पास KTM भी है और हरा भरा थोड़ा ATM भी है। एक पार्टी के पार्टी में रम भी है, मेरी पार्टी में आए जरा कम भी है। तू तेरे गाने हैं कूड़ा कबाड़ा, मेरे बिना ये अधूरा अखाड़ा। तू तेरे जैसे हैं कितने बाजार में, तू तेरे जैसे को पूरा पछाड़ा। बस एक दो प्रहार में पूरा जबाड़ा, मैं तोड़ू मैं यादों को पूरा जलारा। मैं दो का पहाड़ा हो जैसे मैं लिखूं, मैं एक दिन में दो गुना गाने बना रहा। मैं आ रहा मैं आ रहा मैं आ रहा मैं तेरे शहर में घूमूं मैं बनके गॉडजिला, सारा कंक्रीट का जंगल मैं गोरिल्ला। अपने उस्तादों को ले चाहे तू कॉल मिला, या जाके बताना उन्हें कि तुझे कौन मिला। तेरे शहर में घूमूं मैं बनके गॉडजिला, ये सीमेंट का जंगल मैं गोरिल्ला। अपने उस्तादों को ले चाहे तू कॉल मिला, या जाके बताना उन्हें कि तुझे कौन मिला। अभी तो बस बेटा शुरुआत की है मैंने, शुरुआत की पेन पेपर लेकर। अला बला लिखने को लिख दूं मैं, कुछ भी राइम कराने को अंडरटेकर या शेकर या मेकर। राइम कराना तो इजी है, पर लिखा मैंने जो भी लिखा मैंने सब लिखा मैंने। एक एक चीज को ध्यान से देखकर सेंस बने, गड़बड़ ना हो। तेज तेज गाना ही रैप नहीं, बस तेज तेज गाया और सोचा कि तीर मारा सेंटर फ्रेश का ऐड नहीं। कि कैसी जीप लपलपाई कर्मा तेरा अपना भाई, तू घर बैठे शौहरत के सपने में खोया। मैं तोड़ने आया तेरा सपना भाई। सबके सब सारे निकम्मे हैं, सबके सब सारे ये झूठे हैं। कहने को घूमूं स्कूटी पे, पर मेरे स्कूटी से महंगे तो जूते हैं। तेरे शहर में घूमूं मैं बनके सारा कंक्रीट का जंगल में। अपने उस्तादों को ले चाहे तू जाके बताना उन्हें के एमिनेम का मैं फैन करूं मार्शल आर्ट। कुछ भाई ये साथ उनका भला उनकी बदौलत मैं बना फ्री बार जनधन फंड वाली योजना। दोस्त है काफी मेरे आर्मी वाले, पर कैंटीन गार्ड वाली कभी अपोचना झोंकना तारी मुझे ऐसे ट्रिप में कई पर रैप मेरा सुलोचना। You wanna give me something advice संगीन, उसके बदले buy me a pumpkin pie, मैं pumpkin American buy me some हल्दी राम की नमकीन। तू बने सन की so buy me a sunscreen and I mean बहुत बन रहे हैं फंकी चैनी खनकी मार के फंकी। बस नौटंकी बस दो पल की चला के मन की कोकली दम की तीसरे दिन की ओकली हल्की पैदाइश कल की। They wanna battle मत फंकी। बाज the time to एक like a line है मेरे पास multi syllable rhyme like a fine art तेरा भाई like को नहीं है तेरे ऐसे strong मैं alkaline rhyme में नहीं लाया तेरा भाई alkaline
Nice.
पेन मेरा पेन खाई नहीं खाएगा रैम 9 to 5 वाली जॉब थोड़ी back to life है जो लाइफ नहीं जिया तो अब to life कर्म से डर मत पर तेरी हरकत लगी मुझे बुरी फिर गाने जैसे पर्वत पड़े तेरे सर पर सुनेगा तड़प कर पल भर में फटेगा जो भी तेरा सर्वर रैप वाला हैक करा कर थक गया देखो मैं सब वाले मर्डर घर वाले घर पर बासमती हर मैं भी सब पर चेप बोले हर
Oh. I knew it. I knew
This
he's
has made me
gonna.
cry.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I knew he's bringing out the big guns. I was just like, he's easing us into it, but he's coming with it, and he did. Are you crying? You're crying. I love it.
Yes. I'm sorry.
I'm laughing because I love it.
Like, Joe, where do we begin? Firstly, yes,
Let's
we
wait
have
for
missed
him
him.
and for
I
us.
have missed him. I have missed him so much because when there is true talent involved, it is impossible. The moment so when the first शुरू हुआ ना एक तो वो भी उसने किया है versus भी उसने किया है, but there's such a distinct difference between the way he's treated both of them that
Hmm.
even like absolute new people like us can figure out अच्छा ये अलग अलग है, and उसने it's just lyric side wonderfully done. The way he's broken it up, every verse, the kind of treatment he's given, and of course, by the time he comes to the whole influence of Eminem and how he's merged the way Eminem does it to how he's done it to how the whole thing has been mixed, wonderful, stunning. I think Deep Kalsi, like a big shout out to him because while Karma was doing his thing with the music and with the way,
Yeah.
amazing. No, what did you feel like first go? What more was there? Then we'll continue like discussing it more.
I just felt like he's easing us into the main part because I knew with the flow and the sort of easy simple rhyming that was going on towards the first half was when the second verse finished, I looked at the time, I was like, is it over? And then I was like, okay, no, there's still like 2/3 of the time left. So I was like, okay, I know something big's coming. So I was kind of mentally prepared for that and waiting for it. I love the beat switch that happened when he started his thing. And
three beat switches, no? Basically, starting wala, then middle, and then in the end. Main three the, and then I'm sure there were more. But yeah.
I felt there were two. I felt there were two switches.
Three. Okay. Right. The first verse and everything, he was very calm and slow. So minimum 3 the, usse aage bhi ho sakta hai, for sure. Or maybe I'm counting the hook also as one separate way, the way he was doing it. And then
I just felt like the first part was one and the second part was one, distinct sounds, but it could be more than two in the hook and the thing. But he is like, why we miss him? Because he's so distinct. He's so, I don't know, there's just something, there's sometimes you just can't pinpoint what exactly it
there
is
is so much
to someone.
There is so much humility. He's so humble, but he's so much talent that it's like, when he's like, मुझे पता है मुझ में talent है, लेकिन वो अपने talent से flex करता है, while flexing a little bit in the lyrics also, but it's just the combination of the way he does it. It's very endearing. And at the same time, it's very like, you can see him going like, abhi to main aaya hu. And there were certain lines, the way he spoke them, I was like, yeah, I will remember this. I was like, I will remember this. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है अभी. By the time he did his last verse, I was just in tears. I was like, सब भूल गया मुझे. उसके पहले क्या हुआ था?
Exactly.
Really, really good.
Yeah. No, because he's dropping bars and he's moving on. It's very unassuming. It's very just like, this is just something I do. Have you noticed how a lot of people flex using their shoes? And sneakers.
Scooty se to महंगे मेरे जूते. Yeah. Yes.
I don't get the whole sneaker craze. Can I just say? I may be sounding very ignorant when I say this, but obviously it's a huge deal, and these shoes cost like good money. Yeah. But anyway, that's another topic. I've actually watched a video on why sneakers are so popular and what is the deal with this industry, and how it's basically creating products of status. But anyway, that aside, it's a statement, and it's something rappers use a lot to flex. I have noticed. So do all the IT billionaires. But that also aside,
everybody.
So coming to this song, there's a song by Eminem which is also called Godzilla. So I don't know which came first.
He also name dropped many many tracks, like many, and he made sure that he emphasized on them to 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 tell you that he's woven different elements which inspired him, I think, in the last verse. Because
Mm.
there, when he's actually dropping those bars and the way he's written them also, and उसके पहले उसने कहा भी था ना कि simple rhyme करना तो बहुत easy है, इससे इस word को मिला दो, but like there's much more that goes into it, and he's literally breaking that down and telling you. So by the
Yeah.
time that last verse happened, I think it was more also like when you look to people who have influenced you and you kind of give them a shout out in it, and all their work that's inspired you. So
Yeah. Allah Bala. Allah Bala, right? That's his favorite word. But no, I'm looking at the lyrics and I'm trying to find my favorite bit. Okay. He's done so much wordplay here. Fun ki bas nautanki bas to pal ki chala ke man ki खोखली दम की तीसरे दिन की ओखली हल्की पैदाइश कल की they want to battle what the funky by the time तू एक लाएगा लाइन मेरे पास ही मल्टी syllable rhyme लाएगा fine art तेरा भाई लाइक तेरा abstrong में अल्कलाइन राइम नहीं लाया तेरा भाई अल्कलाइन पेन मेरा पाने पेन मेरा पन्ने खाए नहीं खाएगा राइम 9 to 5 वाली जॉब छोड़ी बैक टू लाइफ ओके very very weird when there's a gali in a karma song. No,
why
I don't know. He doesn't. I've not heard him use galis a lot. That's why.
really?
No, not for any other reason.
Acha. No, I've
But
not noticed it. Like, it's not been so distinctive to me. Like, I think he doesn't use randomly just for effect, but he definitely uses it with like a lot of where Gali also makes sense in his songs.
कर्मा से डर मत पर तेरी हरकत लगे मुझे बुरी फिल्मी गाने जैसे पर्वत पर चढ़े सोएगा तू तड़प कर पल भर में फट गया जो भी तेरा सरबर रैप वाला हक कर थक गया देखो मैं सब वाले मर्डर कर खट वाले घर पर बासमती अरहर में बोला जय भोले हर हर. I love that end. Obviously, I ruined it by saying it in that way without any flow, but that was hilarious. And have you noticed how he always ends abruptly? Karma
Yeah,
has this distinct way of
yeah.
ending his tracks and his
Mid sentence or like, like leave you hanging suddenly.
yeah,
करते-करते एकदम से
it
रुक
just
देगा.
all
हाँ,
goes
हाँ,
dead, and he just ends
yeah,
with a punch, and
yeah.
you're like, what? Because I think, like for me, I felt that very strongly when we reacted to LOC, him and Rap Team, and he just ended with that whole like
Yeah, yeah. अब मैं क्या बोलूँ?
women's
Something,
safety
हाँ,
bit, and he
I
just said karma,
yeah,
boom, and
yeah,
it just
yeah,
the track ended.
हाँ,
So he has this way of ending the
correct,
tracks, which
correct.
I love. I love it. So yay! This was awesome, and it's a year old.
I'm just really glad we got to it.
Yeah, we need to get to more of his stuff, and we're hoping his album, comes
Yeah, I
out.
was really looking forward to his album because, but at the same time, I get their point. But I think there's like, I think content creation is also important because a lot of people who are sitting at home, people like us, who are like, waiting, and what keeps us going is good art. What keeps us not just entertained, but through the day, when you're constantly communicating with each other through art, I think that also makes a huge difference. So there is like an equal balance between not working because of COVID, but making sure that you work because of COVID. Like,
Yeah, I mean, you don't need to release things, but keep your mind busy and keep yourself sort of away from constant negativity or constant downers, because if your energy goes in that place, then that's
correct.
a little dangerous. But like you and I took a week break from recording because
Yeah,
we just needed
yeah.
that space. So I think everyone needs that right now, and it's
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
it's good if you're taking it.
Correct.
Yes, more power to all the creators and everyone who is working on stuff right now while they may seem silent. And
Yes.
yeah, we will all rise
And we
above
look
and
forward to your
beyond.
work. Yes.
And yeah,
Yeah.
we will all hopefully get to experience the good stuff soon. So on that note,
Correct.
thank you for requesting this. Tell us other stuff of Karma's we should get to while we
Yeah.
wait for his album. Check out Miss
Yeah.
Pola's channel. It's linked below in the description, and all her podcasts and everything is there. And we'll see you soon in the next one.
बस चलते हैं, निकलते हैं.
Flip
Okay,
on
bye.
the basket.